Guys, so for today's agenda, ikot tayo dito sa street namin and we're going to feed some stray dogs kasi yun yung project namin sa ITV. So tara, samahan niyo ako. So here I prepared them some boppies and kanin.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at this distinguished gentleman.
B, dito ka. Doggy.
Ang hirap ng ginagawa ko.
Ay mo siya.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at this distinguished
Alam
gentleman.
nila, no?
What the dog doing?
So yun guys, naubos din natin yung prepare natin pagkain para sa natin. Tara! So yun guys, thanks for watching and of course to my mom for accompanying. Love you!